I can scoot it toward me.
That's fine. Set it right on the ground.
Oh, like isn't that beautiful? Go look at it. Wowee. Now the queen is not going to be on the outside right here, so it's safe to vacuum like this.
Okay.
They're going to hide her in the dark. And what's kind of fun, if you notice, is the bees just keep working like the entrance is still there. You see, they're just doing their thing. Right here, give me a clip on the vacuum. Are you, this is crazy. Are you kidding me? Are you guys good luck or what? You want it?
Yeah, I see it.
What we do at work though, my guys get the rubber bands rolling. Oh look, there's a female emerging right here. I'll show you her. See right here?
Oh yeah.
See her little face?
Yep.
I'll hand it to you. You can watch her. She's getting ready to emerge as an adult.
Yeah, there's nothing.
See her in there, huh?
There she goes.
Woo! Like that.
Right? No.
No, just so the bees need to eat right here.
Can't do one hand.
And so we want her screen facing out so she can breathe like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, set that one piece back down. Just gently put it in. And then I'm going to put the rest of this right here. You did good, that's fine. Okay, ready? I'm going to let them all out.